from a very early age, I coupled that interest in reading comics with a passion for wanting to do that thing for myself. And so I was drawing, started off tracing the panels that were in the comic book pages that I would get. I mean, stuff like Justice League, Batman, Superman, Avengers, Spider-Man, that type of thing. I went from tracing the panels to copying, the panels, then went on to actually drawing my own stories, my own characters and things like that, and did that. I mean, I never stopped drawing. I was always drawing, but I didn't know at the time that I could actually make a living at doing comics. I knew I wanted to, I just didn't know how to go about it, because there was nobody there. I mean, it was barren. There was nobody that did comics. Go to the Chicago Comic Con in 1990, and I met some Marvel editors that had seen my work in the book that I was doing. It's called The Badger, and the Marvel editors saw it and said, "Hey, we really like your work, but we would like to see how you would do on our characters. Could you work up a submission?" And so, boy, that got me all excited. I remember going home after that convention, and started working on some sample pages. But I did it for both Marvel and DC. Even though I didn't talk with anybody at DC, I wanted to have a backup plan. What if Marvel didn't like my stuff? I'll try out for DC. Well, I sent the sample packet to both Marvel and DC at the same time. Never heard from DC, but I got a call. I got 2 calls from Marvel in the same day. I mailed my package off Friday, and I got a call from Marvel on Monday. I worked for them for 10 years. I worked for Archie Comics for 17 years, but I never signed a contract with them or anything, and I could have been terminated at any time. But if you do good work, you turn your work in on time, and it sells, that's kind of like a winning combo.